Bailey redeemed different but to acquire more knowledge, I will practice English every day through dictionaries, but amazing, I will find a way to interact with other colleagues who are nearby. I will exercise on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to have an healthy lifestyle physically and mentally. On Sunday, I will go to work with my friends to the beach. I will play volleyball. I will eat a lot of fish. I will also travel to many places. I will go to church more often where I used to visit the seed and you give them fruit. I will find a way to create an English group with the boys and girls in my neighborhood. I will with them the language and also had the opportunity to practice and learn. I will start by then notebook and pencil. Second, I will tinder the colors and the numbers and finally the alphabet through children. Rounds to the a child about understanding there are so many things I would do if I didn't have internet or TV. In most cases, this chant can divert us from our goal. I want to better allocate my time practicing English law for study, alternatives that allow me to have fluency and the time of gaining out all the activities. I will start by living outside the TV, being involved for many hours in social networks instead of a way to attend in-person design class and the university. Thank you.